Hello everybody, thank you for joining. This is one of my first videos about a unique collectible item. Today we're gonna talk about the king of the prairie, or the lion. I'm gonna show you right now what we got here. It's an amazing piece. Alright, so right now we have the lion. So it comes with a box. Okay, let me see, can you read it? Yeah, it comes with a box, and inside the box, so originally it's in this box before it got graded. So inside this box, so it is the box from straight from the mint, and then inside the box you have a certificate of authenticity, the number on it, and of course the empty box that comes in. So this box is what originally comes in. This happened to be graded. We're gonna take a closer look at it outside the plastic. So this comes graded. It's an MS70. This is one of 66 pieces around the world. There's only 66 pieces that ever have been made. So very unique item. Very pretty. See the back. Now it's not for everybody, it's not like you're stacking silver kilos or 10-ounce stackers. This is a collector's item, so the premium is pretty hefty on this, but to each their own. Not everybody likes to stack, and not everybody likes to pay premium on collector's items. So the story behind this lion. So as you can see, it's number 83, and a lot of people wonder, like, hey, if you say there's only 66 ever made, how come it's serial numbered as number 83? Well, I'm going to show you something over here on my board. You can see the numbers on my board right behind me. So as you can see, those numbers, the Canton in China, the Canton believe the number 4 and number 7 are bad omens. So what happens is they take out number 4 and number 7 from all the numbers. So they count 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, so on and so forth. The whole 40 line is gone, and the whole 70 line is gone. Okay, and then anything in between that has 7. So to get to 66 pieces on this lion, you need to count to 102 to get 66. So no, it's not fake. No, it's not a scam. It is 66 pieces created from the silver version. They have a brass version. I believe, according to the COA, there's 888 of the brass version and 30 of the gold-plated ones. I have not seen the gold-plated ones around. I was barely able to find the silver ones. I got a few. I think only one is going to be for sale. So let's take another look at this lion. So as you can see, it shows number 83. This one comes at 396.6 grams according to NGC. They probably weighed it. There's a weight on it, but I don't know if it's same. Probably plus or minus 1 gram. So 396.6 or 395.6. Okay, number 83. This is not a first release. I have other versions of this lion that are first release, but look at this thing, man. It's beautiful. The shine and the way it was antiqued and the details. I'm pretty sure it took some time to come up with something like this. So take another look. This one's going to be for sale, and this is the only one that's going to be for sale. Sometimes those items that are pretty unique take a while to sell. I'm okay with that. I'm not in a hurry. It's, as I said, only 66 have ever been made, but I was happy to find such a unique item, because anybody can get eagles. Even the World War II version of the eagles, it's still, there's a few thousand out there. So with this one, I feel that I'm a collector and a stacker at the same time, so I like to add it to my collection. I got a few, so I'm willing to sell one for the right price, and if not, one more for me. So um, but I just want to show this to you guys, and I hope you guys like this video. Please comment to any questions you have, and I'll try to answer them as soon as I can. Please subscribe to my channel. It's new, and I'm gonna be making more videos like this. You know, the more support I get, the more videos I can make about more unique items. Thank you so much.